everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today we're in the Garment District in New York City. I'll be attending a workshop by the designer Anthony Luciano, which will be making a cool handbag. The workshop by Anthony Luciano, Sip and Stitch, is an adult-only class where you get to make a handbag, you get to pick the inside lining and the outside leather. Sip and Stitch workshop is $175 a person. It includes all the material for the handbag and, of course, plenty of wine. Anthony and his crew made this class so enjoyable, so much fun, and of course, very easy to do. Even though the class is called Sip and Stitch, there's no stitching involved, it's only a lot of gluing and cutting. Don't worry if you don't have any skills, everybody here was super helpful. Ricardo really took his time to help me and my friend make our bags beautiful. For my bag, I decided to go with a hot orange with a gold lining, perfect for the summer. This was my final product and I could not be happier. Everyone seemed to have a great time. These are the bags that everybody in the class made. I had an amazing time. Totally recommend this experience. Until next time, everybody. Bye.